Hi everyone. Mistake number 4 that agents make when they're picking a real estate company is you want to take a look at their technology. LePage Signature, for example, has a full CRM, no charge. You're going to get a website, a very good lead generation website that no monthly charge. There is a setup fee. They all have a setup fee, which is fine, but you don't want to get into an ongoing monthly charge. So you want to watch out for that as well. The other thing too that most companies will not offer is social media training. That, of course, in this day and age has become very popular. We have a social media person here that trains the agents on how to utilize that so that you can market yourself on Facebook or LinkedIn, that kind of thing. And so that's something you want to take a look at, because most will not offer that. So those are the main things when it comes to technology. You know, a good CRM is very important. It's free with LePage. A website with no monthly charge is important. Social media training is very important. So those are the 3 main things with technology that you want to watch out for. So take a good look.